Good morning! Another day, another matching sweatsuit. The morning has actually already flown by and I meant to start the vlog earlier, but I just got swamped with work. I actually just quickly earlier this morning threw on some makeup and did like some soft curls in my hair because I had a video meeting and wanted to look presentable, but now that I have some time, I am in the mood to curl my hair properly because, I don't know, it makes me feel good and I feel like I need a pick-me-up. I made a bagel for brunch. I was getting hungry for breakfast, but it was getting close to lunchtime, so I made that quickly. I've been on a blueberry bagel kick lately. But yeah, I'm feeling good about work today because I have been very productive. One of my best and worst traits is that I am such a perfectionist, and it's funny because that's like such a cliche thing to say, especially in job interviews when they ask you what's your biggest weakness, and everyone will always say, oh, I'm a perfectionist, but I actually am a perfectionist, and I find that I always want to do my very best job at everything. You know, let's say I have something to do and it's super quick. I need to send over some details about a new campaign that we're working on to someone. So then I'll put it on my to-do list and say, oh, send this over. And I want to do like a very thorough email walkthrough of all these details. But then I put it on my to-do list and then I get distracted with a bunch of other urgent things that come on my plate that's such a small task, it gets pushed to the side. So when it's things like that that will only take a few minutes, I will just do it right then and there instead of trying to wait till I have enough time to do it in my perfectionist way, because it's better to get it done than to have it weighing on your to-do list. It weighs on your mind when you have things lingering and feel like you're not on top of everything. So that's how I fight my perfectionist tendencies. So that's just a quick tip. I find if it's something that's gonna take me less than 3 minutes, or should take me less than 3 minutes to just send a quick email with an attachment and a couple of notes, it doesn't need to be perfect because done is better than perfect. That's our inspirational quote of the day. I've been letting my curtain bangs grow out because I missed having my long hair. So instead of trimming them, I've been letting them grow out a bit, and it's easier to pull my hair back that way. All right, I'm gonna leave the curls to set for a few minutes while I curl this side. I switch between my straightener and my curling iron. I usually use the straightener for the bottom layers and for doing big chunks. And then I focus and do some nice bouncy curls on the top layers with my curling iron. I will link this curling iron down below. I got it on Amazon and this was such a great find. I absolutely love it. I like that it's tapered so that you can wrap your hair around the bottom while still leaving nice volume on the top. If you need a pick-me-up, this is your sign to go curl your hair. It'll make you feel good. All right, here is my outfit of the day. Another matching sweatsuit from Aerie. This one is one of their newer ones, and I think it's perfect for spring because it's a little bit more lightweight, even though it is fleece lined, but it's so soft. This material is incredible, and these pants are meant to be really oversized. These are actually a double extra small, and they are huge. Like the waistband is huge. They go all the way up, but they're nice and slouchy and really cute. And then I love this sweater. I'm honestly more of a crew neck person than a hoodie person, but this one I highly recommend because it's cropped, and you can't tell because of how high rise these pants are, but my belly button is here, and that's where the top of the sweater hits. So it is more cropped. You'd be able to see it better with leggings, but I kind of just tuck in the top of the sweater into the top of the waistband of the pants, and I think it's cute. It is almost 7 o'clock now. It was a long work day, and now my mom is home. We're gonna go for a drive. I'm really craving French fries. So that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. Why are you always so cute? Thank you. Here. Cheers. Cheers. Tell me you've had a rough morning without telling me you've had a rough morning. I'm about to make these for breakfast. So I woke up, Merlot woke me up extra early this morning and I didn't want to wake up. And then I checked my phone and I was getting a bunch of emails about, because today's Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday is our sales reporting day at work. So it's always a really long day because we need to get all of our sales reporting done, and if there's any issues, then that's what consumes the day. But then Thursday morning is when all of the updates get QA'd. So then when they were getting QA'd this morning, quality assurance, like looked over, proofread, right? It was discovered that all the updates that I made yesterday didn't actually get saved properly. So then I was panicking this morning trying to figure all of that out, and I didn't want to, so like we're all working from one shared Excel sheet, and so I did my updates and I have to do mine first because then other people rely on my updates. My coffee is getting ready. I'm using my Christmas cup because I didn't wash my other mug. It's still on the desk from yesterday. That's embarrassing. Yeah, so I always do my updates first. I confirmed to everyone I did my updates. You guys can go ahead and do yours. Well, apparently they didn't actually get saved properly. So it was still showing like last week's data, but on my screen I could see my updates. So then we put them into a PowerPoint report and all of my updates were made successfully there, but they weren't in the Excel sheet. So then when it came back and when it was being QA'd, that it was not correct. So anyways, fixed all of that this morning. The only way for me to make sure that other people's changes didn't get overwritten in our Excel sheet is to just redo my updates. So I did that early this morning, and then I had to explain to everyone what happened. And then some other stuff happened that we're not gonna talk about. And so now I'm gonna make cookies. Oh, and to top that all off, I did all of that without having my morning cup of coffee yet. So that's how I'm feeling. I'm just joking. It was a little stressful in the moment, but it's fine. Everything is resolved now. You know, I have my coffee. Should have already preheated the oven, but Valentine's Day cookies, and they match my nails. So I thought another excuse to make them is that I will take a cute nail picture and then, you know, we can go conquer the rest of the day. Cheers. Aw, they're so cute. I just can't catch a break. I put the cookies in the oven and then, well, now I should take them out, but then I went back to my desk, got a call from my boss, and now the cookies are burnt. They're edible, but that's not how I like them. I put a timer, but obviously I was on a call on the other side of the house and I couldn't hear it, and I wasn't gonna get up. Well, can only go up from here. They're just cookies, it's fine, and I didn't make them all, so I can put more in the oven, but that sucks. We are back in the Mini Cooper, ladies and gentlemen. I just went to go pick up my car because I had to get the radiator replaced. Mini Cooper, you know, went in for a little fixer up, but I just went to go pick her up. Actually, I don't know if Mini Cooper is a he or a she. It's been all these years and I've never actually confirmed that. No gender to this car. But it feels like it's been so long since I last vlogged in my car. Although I had a bunch of footage that I took over Vlogmas that I never ended up posting. So that's why it feels extra long, since you have all seen me in my car. I debated about going to Starbucks because I'm just so tired. The workday should be over, but I kind of dragged my feet on a few things that I need to finish up. So I need to really just like focus tonight and get everything done so that I can enjoy my Friday tomorrow and it won't be so hard and hectic. Gotta prepare to win the night before. That's That's a saying that I had from one of my classes in university. Prepare to win the night before. So that's why I thought about going to Starbucks to get a caffeinated beverage, but I decided to just come straight home because there was some traffic and it just took way too long to drive home from the mechanic, so I didn't want to make an extra stop. But I have been craving another iced matcha latte with vanilla from the Starbucks try video that Nikki and I filmed together. I haven't had one since, but I've been craving it. That would be like the perfect afternoon drink. Or I guess it's the evening, it's like 6 o'clock now. So I'm home now, and I actually got a package that I wasn't expecting because I didn't purchase anything. And it was a Valentine's Day gift from Essie, which is their Valentine's Day polishes. So this was a pleasant surprise, and I already started to play with them. I swatched them and I showed it on my Instagram story. So you should go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you're not already, so that you get updates like that more real time. But they're so pretty. I actually did my nails today. I can't remember if I told you already, but I'm wearing this polish, which is brand new for me, by Elle Polish, who Lauren is the creator of Elle Polish, and she's a fellow nail polish lover on Instagram, and she has a blog. So this is from her line, and it's in the shade Tarot, and it's a pretty purple color. I love it. And I added little hearts to my nails. But yeah, this was a pleasant little surprise. I've been feeling more inspired lately to do like different creative nail art, like even though these are just little hearts and it was really simple. I feel like I haven't been painting my nails as often, so this just like made me really happy. My nails are really short right now because they've been feeling like really dry and thin. Also my skin is very dry, like I have an eczema flare up like where my arm bends. It's really, really dry and itchy, so I need to put cream on that. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. But before I end the vlog, I wanted to just chat with you a little bit about how I'm really feeling. The other day I posted my morning routine, and it was a very like slow morning routine, and I got a lot of really nice comments from you all saying that it was really relatable, and that inspired me to want to post more vlogs because I feel like my life is boring right now. We are staying at home. There's not many exciting things going on. And although I think that's kind of boring to watch, I know that it's relatable. So that was really comforting to me and inspiring to want to film these vlogs even when they're boring and even when, you know, I'm not the most positive. Today I encountered a few little things in my day that were not perfect, and that's okay. I also wanted to clarify that I'm fine. Those things in my day, like I just talked about them in the moment, but I'm not like losing sleep over any of those things that happen. Like I burnt my cookies, it's not a big deal. Just wanted to clarify that. But yeah, I think like even my friends that I talk to, like we're all just kind of feeling like blah right now because life is same old, and even with myself I find like I'm trying to chase excitement and I'm thinking like impulsive things like, oh, maybe I should move, maybe I don't need to be downtown anymore, maybe it would be exciting if I get a new place or something, like thinking impulsive. I'm not actually doing that, but I find myself like I'm catching myself just trying to chase that excitement because I'm craving something exciting in my life. But that's where I like bring myself back to reality and realize like this is just a phase. Things are going to get better, and I don't want to use the word go back to normal because to be honest, I don't want things to go back to normal. Like a whole year has passed. We're not gonna be the same person we were a year ago, and not just like kind of go back in time and things all be the same as they were a year ago, because so much has happened in this last year. So I'm looking forward to what's to come in the future, but I am trying so hard right now to really just like stay focused on the present. I can only think honestly like a day at a time because I like to plan. I'm a planner, and if I think too much about the future, then I start to like go in circles in my mind, just like thinking about, oh, I should do this and I should do that and I wish I should. No, just live in the moment, be happy with what each day has to bring. And that's what I've truly been loving about my morning routine, is like I am just like being in the morning. I have my coffee, I cuddle with Merlot. If you didn't watch my morning routine video, I will link it down below or on the screen in a card so you can go watch it. But yeah, that's my moral of the story here. And if you're feeling that way too, I want to let you know that you're not alone, and we can talk about it in the comments down below, because we're all going through this together right now. So that's about it. I just rambled on for too long, but thanks for watching this video. It was really nice to chat with you all again, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.